Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my miso sticky wings recipe in my Impress Your Date series. This easy recipe will easily impress your date. The main ingredient is miso, Japanese ingredient, M-I-S-O, but I call them miso sticky, M-E-S-O, get it? Miso sticky wings. Also, another ingredient is honey, that helps with the stickiness, and the mirin helps with the sweetness. I hope you enjoy this recipe and have a great date. Okay, the first step for the miso sticky chicken wings is to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, the first thing we want to do is toss these wings in olive oil, salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Okay, next we want to roast these chicken wings on a rack. And now I have taken a half sheet pan, put a rack on top, and I've pammed, or actually I used cooking spray, it was Pam actually, on the rack and on the pan so it's easier to clean later. You could use foil if you want. I don't use much foil because I like to keep my carbon footprint a little bit smaller. Okay, so these are now on the rack. These are going to go into the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, the wings have been roasting for 20 minutes. We're going to turn them over. Okay, now we're going to put them back in the oven and roast them 20 more minutes. Now, while the wings are roasting for the second 20 minutes, we're going to mix up the miso sticky sauce. And we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of honey, which I've already put into the bowl here. And then 1/3 of a cup of red miso. Then the juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce. I just love this stuff, actually. I use it for everything. Three tablespoons of mirin. And 1 tablespoon of this black garlic soy sauce. Now, I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon. I just love this stuff too, and I provide a source. If you can't find it, just use regular soy sauce. Okay, then we want to mix this up really well. There we go. Now we're going to hold that aside until we are ready to toss the wings in that sauce. Okay, here are the wings. They're looking really good. We're going to put them into this bowl. Now, I'm not going to use all this sauce. I don't think we need it all. We just need enough to coat them. You can save the rest for another time. I'm going to toss the wings in the sauce really well. And then we want to put them back onto the sheet pan on the rack. Okay, now back into the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, here are the finished wings. You can serve your date as many as you want. I think your date is really going to be impressed with these miso sticky wings. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @ChefsApprentice Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and have a great date.